Hi and welcome to another MyMaths walkthrough. 318 all transformations. Okay, here we go, all transformations. So transformations, enlargements, rotations, reflections and translations. I couldn't remember the last one there. Anyhow, let's go for the questions. So we've done all the work on the transformations at this point. We should know everything that we talked about, so we can go quite quickly, I guess. B is an enlargement of A. So B is an enlargement of A. We need to know the centre of enlargement, we need to know the scale factor. So centre of enlargement, you do the projection lines, you go past the little shape to wherever that's going to end up at. You take this one, go past the little shape, wherever that's going to end up at. So you can see now that they're going to end up here. I could put a third one in if I want to, but I'm not going to. 2, 4, 6, minus 6, 3. The scale factor, look at the size, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so that's 8, and this one's only 2, so that's 4 times bigger, so it's got a scale factor of 4. Okay. Next question is rotate to C. You've got to find out where the centre of rotation is. So the top of the shape, when you rotate it, has ended down here. So that's gone through 180 degrees for a start. 180 degrees is a straight line, so let's just draw a straight line connecting the two of them. And then we should be halfway on the line, should be your turning point, so this must be the spinning point here, or the centre of rotation, as it's probably called, 1, 0. 1, 0. Okay, that's that one. Moving across onto the second page, we've got an equation of a line which reflects A onto B. Well, the line I need is this one. That's where the mirror line is going to be, and you should be able to just spot that, really. So there's your mirror line, and the equation of that line is y equals minus 1. There's only really 4 lines you can reflect in. You've either got the y equals, and then whichever number it cuts through the axis at, x equals, whichever number it cuts through the axis at, or the diagonal lines, which are more complicated. This one's y equals x, and this one is y equals minus x. Okay, so they're the major lines that we're going to reflect in. Occasionally you have something like y equals x but moved up 1 or 2, and that'll be y equals x plus 2, but that's just really complicated. So that's all that one is. Shape A is enlarged. I'm going to enlarge this one with a centre of enlargement 5, 1. So let's plot that one. So 5, 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. There's the centre of enlargement. It's going to have a scale factor of 2, so I've got to go twice as far away. So this back point here is across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then down 1. So the enlarged shape is going to be twice as much, so there'll be, instead of 5 it'll be 10, so 5, 10, instead of down 1 it's going to be down 2, so that's where the back of it's going to be. And then I could put all the other ones, but we know it's going to be twice as big, and this is going to be the back of the shape, so it's going to be 2, and then 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 instead of 3 you're going to go 6 down. So there you go, that's twice as big. Twice as big. Right, next one, so that's that one done. Vector to translate C onto A. Now remember, vector is just 2 numbers, one on top of each other. This one is how far we're going that way, and this one's how far we're going this way. And then if we have going backwards, it would be minus. If it goes downwards, it would be minus. So I'll pick any point I want on C, and I've got to get to the same point on A. So I've got to go from C, I'm going to go from this one, and I'm going to go, this is the same point up here, so I've got to get from there to there. So this is across, 1, 2, 3 across, so the vector is 3 across, and then, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 3, 5 is the vector. Don't put a line between them, because that makes it a fraction. And that's it. All transformations. Have fun. I messed up.